Brand new beautiful switch that we just did. Look how gorgeous this looks. It looks so much nicer. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys who watch my video have not subscribed, so please take a little time right there, hit the subscribe button, help me get to my goal to 1,000 subscriber. Hopefully in the next couple months, I would like to be able to get to 1,000 subscriber by June. So when you watch the video, just take a little time, right there down below, hit the subscribe and put the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Thank you for watching. Today's video, I am replacing a window switch that I did a while back and I did not video it, so I guess today you guys get to see what I did to get wanted to have some lights on my window switches. It does not come on the WRX, but I think it comes on some of the Legacy, but I wanted to do it on my car, so I found a way to do it. So I'm gonna try to show you guys a little bit of all of the lights. So let me turn them on so you can see. Alright guys, this is blue, but it was not blue. As you can see, I changed the LED lights to blue, but this one, all the other one are not working. I had to buy another switch. So I want to fix this one works, this one works. Let me show you the back. So all my window switches are also blue. And then I put a little bit of a little blue light up here as well. So guys, on this video I will show you how to change your LED lights from red to blue, because on the WRX it comes red. Let me show you the one I did as well for the dash. You can see all my lights are blue. At night it looks so much better. You will see at night what it looks like. But anyway, let's get to work. I'll walk you guys through the process. Let's go. All right guys, so the first thing we want to do, we're going to take this panel off. So get a flat head screwdriver. There's a little opening right here. Just pop the little cover off. And then you need a flat head for the front here. There's a little opening right where my hand is. You just pull it up this way. So watch me. Oh wow, that one is tight. Hold up. Okay. And then your pry removal tool, just pop those off, just pull it off and try to disconnect the cables. All right guys, so I wanted to show you the new part. Here's the part number so you can see it. So this is a new one that I bought. So let's take it out of the box and make sure it works first too. Okay, so here it is, and it's supposed, as you can see, there's little dots on there. That's what the light is. So let's check to make sure this works before we proceed further. Let's connect everything. Test it, guys. You see the lights are red, so that's what we're gonna change. We're gonna change that to become blue. So I know the switch is working. Let's check the windows, make sure all the switches are working before we proceed. Okay, front window work. So we'll press this one. It's one touch. Set again up. One touch. Okay guys, so switch work. Now here come the hard part. Let's go. All right guys, so now that we took out the master switch, window master switch, we can take it off the bezel. Okay, master switch, bezel, put it to the side. Let me get my tools. So to open it up, in there, leave that in here, and then you go on the other side to unlatch it. Okay, there we go, it's out. Okay, so let me try to show you guys. So right here, that's one LED. This is another one. Then you have one right here next to it, another one. So we're gonna go and replace them all. So first we have to remove them. So we're gonna do one by one, remove them, go test it in the car and see what we get. So let's go to work. All right, like I say guys, first thing first. As you can see, I got the little LED out. Right, it goes right here. Now it's a matter of trying to get this one connected. So here are the LEDs that I bought. I bought them online. I'll put the description down below. Oh, sorry, it's actually right here. This is where I got the LEDs from. Those are PLCC2. So it comes with a little bundle like that. Oh, let me open it up. It's so tiny, I need tweezers. All right guys, so I had to put a little bit of a resin. I already found out the polarity of the LED, so it looks right. So I gotta put it right here. Okay, now let's get a little bit of soldering on here. Okay, no more than that. Okay, there you go, it's on. But now, to make sure everything is fine, I'm gonna run to the car and test it real quick. All right guys, so you could see I just connected the light. And let me start the car. Okay, so you see the blue, this is the one I just did, and you have the two other little red. These are the one we are replacing. So this was done properly. Now let's go to work and do the other two. Normally guys, I should have a little plunger to help take out the solder. I just don't have it, and I don't want to wait for it, so I'm gonna try to like do it without. I did the first one without it, so let's hope I can do the others. The others might be a lot harder, but I'm game. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, a lot harder than it should have been, but that's my mistake. Plus there's a little glue on the LED too. Okay, I got it. All right, let's try to get another LED from the pack here. Got it. I don't know if you could see it. Focus. Focus. Anyway, so I know the positive on that one goes down here. Let me put a little bit of resin first so it can stay. Just a tiny, just a dab. Too much. Perfect. Okay, right. I think it's on right here. So I want to go test it again. I'll be right back. Okay, let's test this one again. Let's turn on the key and see. Yeah, baby. All right, so 2 super blue, and then we gotta take care of the red LEDs. So let's go. There you go. Now you can really see them. All right, guys. Let's keep going. These little tiny LEDs are so hard to take off, especially because they are also glued. Alright, you see the spot where my finger is right there? That's where the LED used to be. It takes me a long time to scrub it off. So let me see if you could see it right there. So anyway, I think it's ready. Let's try to put a small LED. Those other LEDs are even smaller, but let's give it a try. Alrighty. So now, look how small these LEDs are. And here's my tweezers. So they're super tiny. Right now I just need one. Let's put it here for now. Need a tiny bit of resin too, so the LED can stick. If I have to use it, I wouldn't, but I think it's best if I do it. Whoa, where did it go? Where did you go, LED? Oh, I dropped it. Oh, you gotta be careful with these tiny things. No idea where it went. Oh, I'm glad I bought extras. Let's just get another one. Oop. Okay, I don't know if you could see it. See where my, right here, this is the LED. Okay, there you go. Alright, so I don't know if you could see the tiny LED, but it's moment of testing again. Let's go to the car. Okay, testing again. Yeah, baby, I got two. Hold on, let me dim this. I got 3 blue lights, so I just got these 2 red to work on. So we are moving forward, looking beautiful so far. I'm so proud of myself. So these 2. Okay, I'm gonna just do these 2, and then we're gonna come back and do another testing. Let's go. As we keep going, we gotta just keep trying to take these LED lights off. Okay guys, I got one of the little light out, the little one right here comes out, and let's keep on going. Test number 1, 2, 3, 4. Test number 4. All right, boys, and hold on, still too bright so you can see. Okay, so as you can see, we are moving along. We have just one more red left. Let's go and take care of that red. We got just one more LED left right here where the iron is. So let's go. Alright, I pretty much got the LED out right here. Now it's a matter of like cleaning up the area a little bit so I can put the new one on. Alright guys, so let's just grab another LED. Okay, I got it. Put it right here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of resin as well. Get in there. Alright, got it in there. Okay, so let's line up the LED. Okay, it's lined up. Now, trying to see if we could do a little dab. 2 little dabs. So we're trying to do. Okay, that's one. I think this one took. I need one more here. Okay, I think this one took 2. Okay, I think I got it. Let's go check all the LEDs now outside. Okay, last test. Well, one of the last tests. This is just to check all the LEDs. Okay, let's see if I did a good job or not. Yes, yes, yes. Hold on. There you go. Now you guys can see the lights. I think I did a pretty good job. All 5 LEDs are on, so we can call this good to go. Now let's go inside and put the cover back, and we do one last final test so you guys can see what it looks like. BRB. So here is the cover. It's as simple as flipping this over. Make sure everything lines up and clip it in. There you go. Brand new switch. We got one last test to do for tonight, and then we can call this done for tonight, and we'll finish everything tomorrow. All right guys, last test for the night. And well, if it doesn't snow tomorrow, we'll come back and finish that up. It says it might snow tomorrow. Okay. All right, so now you can probably see it. Doesn't that look beautiful? That is perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Perfect. There you go. We're done for tonight. You could see it properly. All right guys, now it's time to replace this new switch that I just fixed. It took me I want to say a day, but I haven't had a chance to do it. It's been so cold. So now let's go ahead and put my gloves on. Let's go ahead and take it out, and then we're gonna replace it with this brand new one. All right, so I didn't put this back all the way in, so it's just hanging in there. All right, so unplug it. It's all done. Now let's take this master switch off. Okay, now you can pop this one off, and the new one that I just worked on, put it back in the hole and screw it in. Okay, it's in. All right, finally, there you go. This is what it looks like now. Now let's put it in the car. Okay. Take out my gloves for a little bit. Okay, so it's simple as just reconnecting everything. So big boys goes in the middle. The other one goes right up here. So now let's start the car and test. All right, moment of truth. All right. There you go, guys. I know you can see a little bit of it, but it looks so much better at night. So now all my buttons are lit up. So I'll show you at night what it looks like. All right. Okay, now all we have to do is put this back into place. Clip it in. And put the screw in. And put the little screw cover on. All right guys, see, here it is. So I'll show you what it looks like at night. No, the new brand new beautiful switch that we just did. Look how gorgeous this looks. It looks so much nicer. And then I don't know if you've seen my dash before, but here it is. Center console and climate control. All right guys, so this little project is done, and I'm so happy. I love it. At night you guys are gonna see what it looks like. I think it looks great. So for now we are donner. She's a donner. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, like and subscribe. Peace.